In this video, we're going to make a flower that is going to bloom on our cactus. So the first thing you need to do is add a new layer. And we're going to call this layer flower. And you need to make sure that this layer is above cactus 1 as it will sit on top of cactus 1. I'm then going to draw out a flower just like we did in the previous tutorial for the flower and bee. You can do this however you want. I'm going to use the circle tool. I'm then going to use the paintbrush tool. I'm going to make my brush a little bit bigger. Once I've done my flower, I'm going to click back onto the cursor and click and drag over it so it selects it all. I'm going to move it to my flower. And I'm going to drag all of the white areas out a bit further. Make sure that you've done it on all of them. And make sure you click back onto flower. I'm going to add a tween. I'm going to make the flower smaller again so that it will look like it's blooming. And then I'm going to drag the red tool, add a tween, and make my flower bigger again. I'm going to click on the tween and make sure the easing type is out, just like we've done for the others. And when you press play, you should see everything grow. The final step to do is to save our work. So make sure you've gone onto the three dots, gone to settings, typed in downloads, and make sure this is slid over to the right and is blue. Once you've done that, you can go back to the Wick editor, and this time we're going to click on export. You can rename it, and you want to export it as a GIF. It will come up like this. I'll give you an option to save it in your folders.